It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another one, and I do want to let you guys know that once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $100 each to 3 lucky subscribers that have been supporting, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. So guys, do not forget to show your girl some love and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, as well as like and comment. I did my hair, you know, I threw in a little bit of conditioner so that it smells nice and the curls stay nice and soft. I did my makeup. I went to Ulta the other day to pick up some things, some new stuff. I'll show you guys what I ended up getting. So I got some stuff for my lips. So I got the butter gloss, the OG makeup. People know about this. The people that were watching makeup videos from back in the day know about the NYX butter gloss. I got this one in Ginger Snap because it matches my skin tone to the T, and it's a great winter color for the brown girlies. Okay, and I got the NYX butter gloss in clear. It's just a regular clear gloss. I bought this to try it out. Honestly, it's better to just go with the store-bought glosses, like the hair store glosses. They're $1 and some change, and they're cheaper. And it's the same thing, but without smell, I think. Yeah, no, this has a smell, but it's just like, it's more bang for your buck. But I ended up getting it to try it out. Anyways. And I ended up getting this sunscreen. It's a primer. And it's sunscreen as well, and it slides on and glides on invisible. Now, there's a lot of mixed reviews out there about this. So far, and this is my first time trying it, so far for my first time trying it, it's doing fine for me. It does the job. I will say it comes out a little, like it's hard to come out, like you really gotta you really gotta force it out. You see how it's just now coming out, and I'm squeezing it to the, like, really hard. I'm squeezing it really hard. And at first I was like, wait, is this a defect? Like, did I get a defective product? Like, why is it so hard to come out? Anyways, there's a lot of mixed reviews on this. So I will say you might not want to get it, but I tried it out. And with Ulta, you can always bring it back as long as it's 75% full, the product. So yeah, it's worked for me so far. I don't have any complaints. I wonder how it's gonna do in like the summer, but we'll just have to wait and see. And I ended up getting the NYX brow glue, and basically it just keeps your brows in place, as you can see, and it's very sticky. It's literally like glue for your brows. I love that to keep my brows in place. And I got this is for the OG girls that used to watch makeup and do makeup back in the day when it was really popular on YouTube. Pro Concealer. LA girl, okay? I got the red one to kind of conceal my mole under my eye, because I do have a mole under my eye. And I like to use concealer to kind of conceal it, because people mistake it for like a black eye or something like that. It's really not a black eye. It's just a mole. If you could believe it, there are people that have moles underneath their eye, and mine just seem to look like a black eye, unfortunately. And that's not gonna necessarily be an easy fix. I have to get laser treatment in order to remove the mole underneath my eye. I've tried everything, all the lightening creams in the world, and I was like, something's wrong. So I went to my dermatologist and I told them, I was like, listen, I have this dark spot under my eye that won't go away. And they told me, they looked at it, they told me it's not a black eye, it's not like damaged skin, you have a mole underneath your eye. And they told me it was actually quite funny, well, not funny, but interesting that it didn't go into the white areas of my eye, because usually it travels up. You know how some people have like dark spots or dark areas in the white spots of their eyes? Usually it travels up and it goes into the eye. It didn't do that for me. It just stayed there. So it's a very rare case of an under eye mole, okay? And I like to cover it up. So I ended up getting this amber fragrance oil. If you know, you know. Let me see if I can focus it in for you guys. It is so bomb. Like, this stuff is so good. I always get compliments when I wear this. It smells like rich bitch energy, goddess energy, princess treatment only, do right by me, or I'm gonna leave your ass. Like, this is the smell that it gives. It's really good. I love it. I mix it with my perfumes and it makes my perfumes last a lot longer. Even the ones that do last long, it makes it linger for days and days and days. I love this oil. So if you guys can tell, I did take out my lash extensions because I'm giving myself a little break. So I went and when I ended up taking out my lash extensions, I told my lash tech I was taking a break, and I was like, oh, do you guys have any serum to like make your lashes grow longer, keep them healthy, keep them strong, you know, stuff like that? Because I really thought when I took my lashes off that I was gonna look like a naked mole rat. And come to find out, I actually forgot how beautiful my natural lashes are because I was too busy wearing extensions, okay? So I ended up getting Rapid Lash because that was recommended by me. If you know about Rapid Lash, you know about Rapid Lash. And I've been using it so far. Now I already have pretty long curly lashes already, but I can definitely see the improvement in my lashes. I can see the improvement as far as like the length. So I think it's only been like a week or two and I've been using this, so I'm gonna continue to use this and see what happens. Hopefully they get longer. And I'm actually I'm falling back in love with my natural lashes, and I'm like, who needs lashes? I mean, I love my lash tech, but they're looking good. I mean, they're looking good. So yeah, I ended up getting this. So if you want to check this out or get this, then I would highly recommend it because I'm already seeing results. And yeah, that's pretty much it for what I got from Ulta. Today I'm just, you know, shooting content. That's why I got my makeup done and my hair done. I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to head over into the city, and if I'm lucky and my friend's not busy later, then I might hang out with her, or I might hang out with another one of my friends. I don't know. I might bring you guys outside with me. It is a gloomy day. It's not raining, but it's gloomy. It's not supposed to rain for the rest of the day, so whatever. Rain is not gonna stop me from enjoying myself. It is a Saturday and it is 5:34 p.m. by the way. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. I'll do an outfit check. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing tonight. And yeah, we'll just go from there. Hopefully I can get some pictures in today if I don't have too much fun. But basically I'm just going out and enjoying myself and enjoying my free time. This is the dress that I'm wearing. You guys can see it. I don't know if you can, but you should be able to. And I have my Jimmy Choo shoes, and I have my Tory Burch bag, and I got my little hoop earrings in by I don't know who. That is the fit. Let's see. Oh, not me rip. Okay, that's cool. Hey, so it's a couple days later, and I know I told you guys that I wasn't going to shop anymore, but I lied. I went shopping again, and I got a couple things, these glasses being one of them. Look at them. And it's not just for fashion. It's not just for fashion. They also actually protect your eyes from UV rays, so the sun and stuff like that. It actually does. I'm feeling like a baddie with these on, and I don't feel like they're doing too much. I feel like they're doing enough. Okay, more than enough actually. I look like you gotta spend some money, okay? And that's what I like. So we got these glasses here. They're a little extra, but they're me, so it works. Got these, and I got a couple of dresses as well. I know I say I ain't got no room, but I'm gonna make room for it. All right, so I got all these dresses and I got them from none other than fashionnova. All right. And yeah, I just got some, you know, some winter dresses that I'd like. I should try them on for you guys real quick, just really quickly. But yeah, guys, I have, oh, just a recap. So I went out, I enjoyed myself, I had fun, I got drunk, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, I had a good time, you know, met some new people again, you know, same old, same old. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys these dresses. They're really cute. Okay, it has lace on the side right here. Really cute. And it's a side slit. It's a side slit dress. My walkway is my runway. This is so cute. I actually really like this. No freaking way. It fits me like a glove. I will say that a lot of stuff that I do get from fashionnova, I mean like 99.9% of the stuff that I buy from there, it fits me. And I'm big on the top, but I have hips on the bottom, if that makes sense. So there's that. Let's see how it looks in the back. Wow. Wow. Snatched. This is actually better than my first backless black dress that I got, which I still love and I'll still wear it, but I feel like this is just fits me better just because it's tighter. It's more fitted to my form rather than the other one. It's not as fitted. Let's see. Let me give you the spin around. This is the spin around. This is the vibe. Okay. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can tell. It's just a backless dress. Simple but cute. And it is ribbed. So it has that cute little detail to it. Anyways, I like it. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the next dress. So this is a turtleneck dress, you know. I told you, winter time, right? It's brown, it's cute, and it has a slit. It has a slit. And I'm gonna do the 360 for you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's cute and it's just an everyday piece. This will never get old. This will never get old. Never. 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 Damn, how good. Okay, guys. So remember when I told you guys that I've only gotten dresses? Okay, I lied. My fault. Sorry, I lied. I got some pants too. And these like trouser pants, high-waisted trouser business pants are bomb. Let me show you. Look at these. Okay, these trousers are A1. Do the turnaround. They make the bum look spectacular. And yeah, this is my only pair of bottoms though. So moving along to the other dresses. Now we have the next dress. This is an all white body looking like milk type of dress. It is long sleeve and it is just straight up a long dress all the way down. And I'll give you the 360. I hope this comes out good. I hope this does come out good and you can see me very good. But yeah, it's just a long dress for the winter time, just in white. Nothing crazy. It's cute though. And I got this same one that I'm wearing right now in a mauve pink. It's really pretty. Now, I don't think I'm going to try this one on because the neck on these ones is a little tight, baby. You're going to have to take off the wig. Do your makeup after you put this dress on because I literally had to like stretch the neckline out because it wasn't fitting on me. Not with this hair on, and I wasn't trying to get makeup all over it. But yeah, Definitely a dress you'd want to put on before you do your makeup and before you put your wig on, or before you do your hair and makeup. This is the dress that you need to put on beforehand so that you can be able to not have to worry about struggling to get it on like I just did. But it's so worth it. Look at it. It's cute. It's super cute. I hope you guys can see this. I will make sure, guys, that I link everything down below for you guys. All the dresses and the one pair of trousers that I had, I will link that all down below. Yeah, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well so that you will be informed when I do post my video. Don't forget that I am doing the $100 giveaway to 3 lucky winners once I hit 2K subscribers. Halfway there. We're definitely going to get there by the end of this year. So don't forget to subscribe, show your girl some love, hit that notification bell.